Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Jordan. Today we are doing zombie makeup. So get excited, buckle up, it's gonna be crazy. This is my first time doing it, so it'll be entertaining in the least, hopefully. So just keep on watching. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe. The first step is gonna be to block out my brows. I don't think I'm going to use nose and scar wax like I did in the drag video. If you wanna see how I blocked out my brows in that video, you can check it out up here somewhere. But basically for this, we're just trying to get my hair as close to my face as possible so they blend into my skin, but I don't really necessarily need that smooth texture like I did in the drag video, because I'm gonna be putting liquid latex in my face to give myself some like pseudo wrinkles and like, you know, nasty, crusty old skin, because I'm a zombie, I'm dead. So we don't really want our eyebrows in there. So I'm gonna go block out my brows real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, a million years later, I'm back. My eyebrows are gone enough for my liking. I just used the purple glue stick from Elmer's, the best, brushed them up, brushed them back, did it a couple times, went in with some white powder and just like smashed it in, and then I covered the white powder with some just white Ben Nye face paint. I mostly am going to be using this monster wheel from Ben Nye today. Basically, the first step is going to be using the Ben Nye liquid latex, and this is gonna get real nasty because this stuff smells disgusting. What you have to do, you have to apply like a thin layer, and between each layer you need to let it dry completely. So I have a fan here that I'm just gonna stick my face in front of. So I'm gonna do it in sections. So what you wanna do to create kind of the creepy wrinkled effect, so you want to like stretch your face out. This is not good for my skin. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have so many wrinkles just from this alone. I think I'm gonna start with my chin. It's also not super comfortable, I've gotta be honest. But the things you do to get the realistic look, okay? Stretch my skin on my chin, my chin skin. Actually, I can probably just stretch it out by doing that without my fingers. So I'm gonna do that. And you have to let it dry while your face is stretched like that. So I'm gonna stick my face in front of the fan. Okay, it's pretty much dry while it's still stretched. Powder. Bam, baby, one section done. That's probably good enough. As you can see, I've created some weird texture there. And there's some lumpies because I didn't apply it super evenly. That's okay though, because I'm gonna be a zombie. Like, it literally doesn't matter. Liquid latex smells, just like, kind of like fish. So yeah, not great. Not great. Wow, this is really turning into a facial hair experience. Oh my, oh my. Santa Claus, is that you with a pedo stash? Sorry, we're done. Ugh, to my mouth. Here's where having like an extra pair of hands would probably be helpful. Someone could stretch your face while you apply the liquid latex. I'm gonna try by myself. Hopefully it works. So that did nothing. So I think I'm gonna apply the other way. So see how it basically just peels off? Kind of satisfying. It's like one of those like peel off face masks. Into the fun! Okay, literally a million years later, I'm back. We've covered basically my whole face. I did end up doing my nose. Did it do anything? Basically no, but it's fine. As you can see, I've got the texture that I'm looking for here. Nasty, gross, crepey skin. I think it's time to just start coloring this crazy thing. Oh wait, but first, I do want to create a few like little holes in the latex. So this is kind of like the makeup plot type thing we're going for. So I'm gonna create a few of these guys here. right there. Cool. And we're gonna do a couple on this side, I think. We're gonna start painting. So like I said, I'm gonna be using the Ben Nye Monster Wheel. I'm gonna be blending these all three of the green, the blue, and the gray across my face. This is looking so cool. We've got green, blue, gray. Like, I just look nasty. I look so cool. I love this. Here is the base we have. So now I'm going to go in and shade my eyes probably, and then I'll contour like my face type thing with the darker colors. Okay, now I'm gonna go into this like darkish red color and some of the black, and I'm gonna take that around my eyes. I'm gonna start with that like reddish shade. Okay, I'm gonna go with the black now. Wow, we are looking so dreadful. Wow, okay. Okay, so now we have those babies kind of filled in. I shaded it a little bit on the bottom with the black. I'm going to go in now mostly with that black and that gray and kind of just like hollow out my face and create some shading on my face. Okay, we're looking pretty dead, pretty gross. The only thing left really is I'm going to take the FX Bruise and Abrasions wheel by Ben Nye. I'm gonna take this yellow color here and just with like this stippling sponge, I'm gonna go in and create some stipples across the face a little bit just to add some more color and dimension to this face, even though we have quite a bit already. And I can go back and forth with this and the green. And there's the red next to this one. And I think I'm gonna take a little bit of the red as well and kind of stipple it across some areas where it kind of looks like there might wanna be some blood perhaps. All right, I think that concludes this zombie makeup video, okay? So this is disgusting, this is nasty. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Did you enjoy this? Are you gonna try this? Honestly, it takes a lot of time, but if you were trying to pull off a realistic or like, not necessarily realistic, like we don't really know what a zombie looks like, but a cool looking zombie without any prosthetics. Okay, the only thing really special that we used here was the liquid latex and maybe the fake blood, but mostly the liquid latex. Other than that, like, you can really do this if you just have like some of the right colors and you are patient, you take the time to blend this out. Anyone can do this. I'm not an expert. I'm just some kid having fun and trying new things. So please let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe for more fun, creative inspiration videos like this one. This is the finished look. And obviously if you had like some cool contacts and then like some fake teeth, that would be really take it up a notch. But you know, is this necessarily like a Walking Dead one? No, but like my skin looks pretty nasty. I look pretty old. I think this is good enough. And I had a really fun time doing it. And the way you are going to take this off, just quick note. So you can peel off latex, like I said, but you should probably go in with a like micellar water and just really loosen stuff up and just get in the shower and just take this off with some water, and then some of that liquid latex will start peeling off a little bit and you can just rub it off. Like here's like some nasty little bits I have from earlier that just like rubbed off. It's disgusting, but it'll be fun, kind of satisfying. But yeah, I will see you in the next one. I hope you have a fantastic, wonderful day. Go and try something new, get out of your comfort zone, and you'll thank yourself later. So thank you guys. I'll see you later. Bye.
Brains. Brains.
What kind of sound do zombies make?